More than 9,000 people have been arrested in Ethiopia during recent unrest that followed the killing of a popular musician. That's according to the state-run Human Rights Commission, which says that 178 people have died in the violence since June. Critics now worry that the country may be sliding back towards repression. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed came to power in 2018 promising democratic reform, but he's had to face growing ethnic tension over land and resources.
The latest trend is that the government is going back to the iron fist methods, and they are still detaining people without proper investigation. There are protracted pre-trial detentions happening.
Awal Allo is a senior lecturer in law at Kiel University and an analyst covering the Horn of Africa. He says that Abiy has not lived up to his campaign promises.
It's unfortunate that the man who has been lauded globally as the person delivering an astounding sort of turnaround for Ethiopia now became a typical African dictator, literally eviscerating the entire political opposition, including the very people who brought him to power, arresting and jailing opposition leaders such as Jawar Mohammed, Bekele Garba from the Oromo Federalist Congress, individuals leading the Oromo Liberation Front, other political parties, people like Lidatu Ayalew, Iskandar Nega. These are all leaders of political parties who have done nothing except to democratically contest Abiy's holds Abiy's grip on power. But unfortunately, the man who promised change and transformation in Ethiopia has a very particular way of doing things. He's extremely intolerant to opposition. He has now begun to politicize institutions of law and justice to advance his own political interest. And it's very, very unfortunate how things have changed in such a short period of time. He used a constitutional mechanism internally to postpone the election indefinitely. Now, as the mandate of the government coming close to expiring, he has arrested and jailed all political opposition and dragging them before courts in a process that is purely motivated by political consideration.